Have you ever tried holding in a sneeze? It may seem harmless, but it can actually be dangerous. When you hold back a sneeze, the pressure that's meant to release through your nose and mouth can backfire into your ears, throat, or even your brain. This can cause serious issues like ruptured eardrums, throat injuries, or sinus infections. Sneezing is your body's way of getting rid of irritants like dust or germs, so it's important to let it out. Next time you feel a sneeze coming, don't hold back. Just cover up and let it go.